Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Polygon Matic. We're going to be analyzing the chart, see what really is happening with the price of Matic and where we could be going in the month of June. If we're looking at the price right now, you guys can see as of June 8th, 2023, we're sitting at 78.5 cents. We're up about 3% in all Bitcoin USD and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. If we're looking at its market cap, on the other hand, currently sitting at $7.3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $206 million. But now let's shift our focus towards the price, see what really has been happening within the price, and whether or not we could see more downside for the price of Polygon Matic. Before I begin, guys, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So if we're looking at the price of Matic right now, you guys can see, we're sitting once again in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And it's just not that we're sitting in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, we're sitting at some very, very, very important levels of support. And you guys can see over the past, month and a half, since basically late April, we've really seen the price of Matic in a downwards trajectory. Things really gotten crazy, especially when we lost the support around this dollar mark, such a massive psychological price point, and that's why it was playing as a huge level of support. But we have lost that level of support and really did see the price of Matic fall down even further. If you bring out the measuring tool for you guys can see, the prices have dropped 22% after losing that level of support. So that definitely shows, us the fact that how important this level of support really was. So now comes the question that everyone probably asking themselves: is this the end for Matic, or Matic is going to see another bounce? This is one of the strongest projects in the crypto space, in my personal opinion. Reason as to why I believe that is because of the massive strides this project has made. Of course, it's solving such a massive issue, which is Ethereum scalability, and we really have still yet to see a solution as to Ethereum's insane amount of gas prices. And that's what all these layer ones and other blockchain projects are really innovating. Not only that, having a lot of interest coming in them, and Matic had really made a massive statement within the cryptocurrency space. And in terms of the partnerships, it's literally going crazy, partnering with some of the biggest global companies when it comes to adoption. It's literally up there. So we have seen quite a significant drop. So basically since April 19th, when we failed to break out of that level of resistance, which is the 61.8 level of resistance at that $1.18 mark, we did see the price drop since then about 34.6%. So quite a significant drop, to say the least. So what is next? Now that might be the question on everyone's mind. The reason as to why we've really seen Matic plummet really hard right now is the fact that Bitcoin dominance has increased and BTC has started its volatility. This is really hurting a lot of altcoins across the board, not just Polygon Matic. You guys can see this for yourself. Dominance goes up, BTC also goes up, BTC sometimes goes down. So whale manipulation at its finest is definitely occurring, and that is really hurting a lot of altcoins right now. And some people, I've been reading comments in the crypto space saying, this is the best time that they were waiting for, to pick up some Matic for, the entire year. Because if you really are familiar with Matic's, price history, you can pretty much see this right in front of your eyes, basically since last June. So we're literally approaching a week from now on, we will hit a year mark since, Matic hit an, not all-time low. Well, after a bull market comes to an end, it hit a low of 32 cents. And since then, Matic did break into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level and pretty much traded from last July all the way till the end of, last year, and of course the beginning of the year, and, really didn't go below this level of support. So now, if you are watching my videos around this range, I was saying, Matic is building a huge level of support around here, and, now we have massive levels of support for the price of Matic, and I do see and expect a little bit of a bounce towards the upside. What I would love the price of Matic to do is reclaim above this level of resistance, but again, this all depends on the dominance, and dominance is increasing, guys. Dominance could even hit the yearly high for the year of 2023 if Bitcoin sees a little bit of a bounce. It can go up, and even if it sees a drop, it could go down. That's the situation that we're in right now. So altcoins are really bleeding really hard, but the strong projects, and I was just looking at it today too. I was just thinking to myself, a lot of these strong projects are at a great buy right now. Imagine to the people that saw Matic, of course, at last, at the earlier this year, January 1st, you can see Matic was literally trading where we are right now, and it made its way back into the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level when things started heating up, and that was like 110% move towards the upside. And I could see something very similar happen. A project like Matic can move up very fast. Then that's the crypto beauty. Markets can move up very fast when things start heating up, and right now, without a doubt, it is being oversold in my opinion, because we've been in a downward channel literally since we did go into the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level earlier this year. Since then, it's just been on its way towards the downside. So a lot of people are accumulating right now, especially the big players that believe in Matic's vision, and I still believe that Matic is going to be one of the top performers this bull cycle and could hit double digit Matic this bull cycle. So double digit means $10 and plus. So of course, going to take it one step at a time. Reason as to why I think that's the case is because last bull cycle, Matic hit $3 per Matic, and this project has done everything in terms of delivering. When it comes to delivering, keeping their promises, the team has been delivering on a continuous basis. Right now, of course, the correlation with BTC is playing out. Obviously dominance is increasing, which is hurting a lot of altcoins. But if you are and you were actually, that's the real thing, if you were on the sidelines pretty much throughout this pump that we have seen, and you were on the sidelines, now is the time to be accumulating these coins that you might be wanting to accumulate. The opportunity is there. So what comes next? Of course, like I said, I am expecting some sort of a bounce happening around this range. Huge level of support. I do expect Matic to hold around this range. If it were to drop below the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level support at 73.5 cents, I still do believe it's not going to last too long. We will get picked up quite fast. If we're looking at staking reports, guys, you guys can see this for yourself. About 38% of its market cap. If we put that into perspective right now, that's $2.7 billion out of that $7.3 billion that's staked right now. People are staking their coins, earning passive income because they really see where Matic is going in the long haul. So, that is my current opinion on Matic's price. Of course, massive sell-off, but again, not financial advice. I really do believe these prices won't last too long, but of course, only time is going to tell. I would love to know your thoughts down below, what you guys think on this. Hit that in the comment section. Love you all. See you tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.